Apple announced the latest version of iOS, the iOS 17, about a month ago at WWDC 23. They also released the first developer beta to go along with it. It's not recommended putting on your main phone because it can be quite unpredictable at times. But I installed it on my iPhone, so you don't have to. I have been using it since then, and here's my list of the top 5 iOS features coming to your iPhone this fall. Alright, the first one is name drop. When you meet someone for the first time and want to share your contact details with them, normally you would have to say them out loud while the other person types them on their phone at the same time. But that's completely changing with iOS 17. Now all you have to do is bring your iPhone close to theirs and your contact details will go through immediately. Before your information goes through, you will have to choose which number or email address you want to share. It's great for privacy because people won't be able to take your information without your consent. Plus, as you can see, this feature is coupled with some really nice animations, which is also a plus point. Apple has also upgraded AirDrop. It's not officially called AirDrop 2.0, but I like to call it that because it really feels like AirDrop 2.0, at least to me. Basically, they have thrown in some of the features from Name Drop right into AirDrop. Now, when you wanna share something with your friend, like some photos or some videos, you have to select them in the gallery and then bring your iPhone close to theirs, and the information goes through immediately. And this feature also has some really nice animations, so that's always a plus point. Okay, so next one is standby. When you put your iPhone on a charging stand, it goes into kinda like a smart display mode and shows you information like your time and calendars and weather. You can customize it and put any other widget on it as you want. Fun fact, it also works without wireless charging or without a stand. All you have to do is plug in your iPhone to wired charging and support it against the wall or something. It triggers the standby mode immediately. Apple introduced widgets for iOS home screen a couple of years ago with iOS 14, but they were a bit limited because you couldn't interact with certain parts of a widget. Basically, the widgets were not interactive. But that's changing with iOS 17 because now you can interact with certain parts of a widget to do certain actions. Like you can complete your reminders right from your home screen without opening the app. Okay, this one is really the flagship feature of iOS 17 called the contact posters. Basically, you can change the way your call looks on someone else's phone. It's like a glorified profile picture. You can completely customize it and you can set it up in your phone app right now. Here's how to make a poster for yourself. Open your phone app and select your contact card. Now hit edit and create a new profile poster for yourself. When you are done customizing, just hit save and you're good to go. Now when you call someone, they will see the profile poster you have created for yourself. Okay, so here's the last one, and it's a big one. iOS keyboard has always had terrible autocorrection and predictive text, but that's changing with iOS 17. Apple says there's a new machine learning model in the keyboard that should drastically improve how the autocorrection behaves on iOS. I have been typing a lot on iOS 17 developer beta, and I can confirm it has improved a lot. Basically, my satisfaction level with iOS keyboard has gone from like 40% to 95% with just one update, which is really nice. I have seen some people saying that iOS 17 has not improved their keyboard by a lot. So in that case, I recommend going into settings and reset your keyboard. That should make things a bit better. Okay, so iOS 17 does not feel like a big update on paper, but there are a lot of small features scattered throughout the system, which should make your iPhone experience a lot better. So, what's your favorite iOS 17 feature? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you didn't like it, you know what to do.